How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name's Colin. This is my $300 Miata behind me. Yes, the bumper is being painted right now. I have it covered up so you can just barely see that it's red, but you can't see the finished product because it's not finished yet. I'm waiting for clear coat to come in. The base coat is on. I'm waiting for clear coat. It's gonna look real good. And don't look too much into the cherry picker in the background. I'm not using that on this car. Engine's not coming out. I had it on loan to a friend. He just returned it to me, so that's why it's here in my garage. Today, I'm gonna show you some cool stuff that I did while I'm waiting for the clear coat to come in. I had a peek behind the door panels the other day, and I found these. I think these are 5¼ inch Kenwood speakers. These are not OEM, but they're a replacement that somebody would have put in a while ago. They sounded just fine. They weren't anything special, but I coincidentally had a set of speakers sitting around from another car. I've had these sitting around for a number of years just in my collection, and I finally have a spot to put them. They fit directly in there. They're the perfect size. I got them in both the doors. That's why the panels are off right now, and I have the center console out. And while I was at it, if you don't know about Miatas, most of them have speakers in the headrests as well as just speakers in the doors. And they unzip right here at this seam, and when you pull it forward, look at that. Tiny little speakers in the headrests. These are also not OEM. These are from Kicker. Also not something I put in, something the previous owner put in. And I discovered that these were actually wired improperly, which is evidently not an uncommon thing. I did some research and I found out that most first-gen Miatas are wired incorrectly from the factory. And if that's the case, who knows, because this car has an aftermarket stereo in it. Somebody's obviously replaced everything in the car, but I did find through lots of investigation and lots of plotting out wiring diagrams on paper that whoever put this stereo in actually wired the headrest speakers incorrectly. So even if they had been done properly from the factory, they got screwed up when the install happened. So I spent a number of hours the other night trying to track down where the problem was, why it sounded strange, and I finally solved it, and it sounds so much better now. I'm planning on replacing the rest of the sound system at some point. I'd like to put a nice, decent aftermarket system in here with a separate amplifier, a small sub right here behind the seat. But for now, it sounds a lot better than it did before, with both the front door speakers being replaced with the better Rockford Fosgates and with the wiring fixed for these back here. The clear coat for the front bumper should be coming in tomorrow, and I should have it done hopefully the day or two after that, have it wet sanded, have it looking like the rest of the car, and then I can take the plastic off, I can show you what it looks like, I can patch up all the panels in here and take it back out on the road. This was more just kind of an update for you because I hadn't posted anything in a few days, or a week. Anyway, that's all I've got for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.